and welcome to 137A Burraneer Bay Road here in Burraneer. This is one you have to see to believe, and you definitely can't judge a book by its cover. But let's show you what this place looks like from the air.
You've got 709 square metres, and that's on your side alone. This huge level grass lawn, and wait until you see inside. It's been designed for entertaining and relaxing.
You've got this awesome family-sized kitchen, an open plan layout which flows through the dining to the lounge and out to the alfresco entertaining.
Talk about maximum relaxation. This is the perfect cinema room for you to come down with family and friends, watch a movie. The best part is it's sub-level, so you can really crank the volume.
This home is configured perfectly for kids of any age. You've got 4 great sized bedrooms, and upstairs a 3rd living space.
And I've got one last thing to show you, and it's why I think that this duplex is going to be set apart from the rest. You've got room for all the toys here.